Hey everyone, this is Jeff with Team Cycling Fitness, and this is a reminder message that it is now time to get your bike in for the free tune-up service that came with your bike purchase. So if you purchased a bike from our shop within the last year up to 2 years, your bike came with free tune-ups, and those free tune-ups are available to you September through February. So get your bike in now so we can have it ready to go for the next cycling season. If you wait until March through August, we'll still do your tune-up, but it is at our standard prices less 25%. So that's why we're sending this reminder message so that you can get your bike in now in our slower season, and we'll get you ready to roll for next spring. If you don't remember what service plan came with your bike purchase, give us a call at 513-522-1551, and we'll look up your invoice and let you know what service plan your bike came with. If you purchased our Cranking Club Premium membership, you can discard this message altogether because it doesn't apply to you. Hope to see you soon, and we'll get you ready to roll for next spring. Have a great day.